Here we are again in Bali, and a little bit of construction. Pouring concrete. Yes, pouring concrete. By hand. There's none of this calling the old concrete gods and out comes an agitator with 6 metres of concrete that spews out for you with the click of the fingers like we do back home. No, it's all done by hand. So I suppose you would call it artisan slab pouring, artisan concrete. Something, you know, all top-fed up and house hipstered up, but no, by hand, here. They do this all throughout Asia. It's going to get a bit noisy over there, so I'll just come and give you a bit of a walkthrough. It's beautiful. This is how you put your DNA into it, you know? So everyone's got there's a teams, right? So this team here, this will be the sand guys. Okay, they're just shovel. They'll shovel into the buckets, and you'll have the bucket ladies, right? Here they come now. Here's one of them now. Hello. Load it up, right? And so everyone has their little particular job, their chore, right? So here they come. So there's the team. That's the cool moments around here. Okay, so there's the carrying team. Come over here. You've probably got about 10 cubic metres of sand here, getting in everyone's road. And, oh shit, no, gravel here, about 20. So come over, there's your gravel ladies, load up the gravel. It's all a real important teamwork here. Right, okay, the lift man, right, he's handling that big fucking Jenny over there, pulling up, they're pouring this slab up there, 3, 4 stories, by hand, beautiful. Let's come over here, let's go and have a look. So, there's our gravel ladies, hello, this is our spin. So you got the cement too. They'll be loading the right quantities. I'm getting covered in gravel in cement here. Your mixers, 2 on the go here. So there's your mixing team, right? And everyone works together. The slab up there, I haven't got time, but I'd love to go up there and have a look at it. It looks like a pretty big slab. It looks, you've got about 40 metres in front of you, go probably about another 50 metres back. And a 200 mil, I don't know, do the numbers, but that's a big pour. So luckily it's a cool day, not too hot. Let's come on up here. It's going to be real hot. So here's our little team. Looks like they're mixing up something else. That looks like a bit of roundup. Hey dudes! Hey! Okay, let's go quick over here. Let's have a look at the big mixers going. So there you have it, look. So there's a pulley, a lift system here. There you go. Here we go, let's have a look at it. In she goes. So that one takes 1 full load. So they're working in teamwork here. I might just duck in behind this guy. Look. This place we go, yoga class, I'm covered in cement. Here's some more. Another team, so you've got 2 sides going. Gravel, sand, cement. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Here we go, see the old girls loading straight in, covered with cement again. Okay, I better get out of the bloody way here. Okay, well, there you go, there's a bit of slab pouring. As you can see here, got another one on the go. Obviously they're not using that one today. So there you go, pouring mud in Bali. And yeah, Bali is good. Joy, big love, and it's all about concrete today. See ya.